Hey, amigos meus, Bolacada, welcome to another weekend of cooking with Commercial. And basically this week we're going to do the famous Haloumi Burger, which is going around all the shop chains, but I think they can actually upscale it. So I'm teaching you how to do it at home, so you can actually have the same flavour. And not only that, mine's actually kind of like it ramps up the heat. We've got quite a few different peppers in there, but also we've got quite a few chilies, including a pickled chili. So this means that it gives it a certain type of acidy kick, which you really need for this to get through the rich taste of the halloumi. But the main important thing, you don't grill the halloumi for very long at all, like 30 seconds, a minute, and then it's ready to serve. Grill the peppers, and then I put them in the microwave to soften them up, and then literally it's done within a few minutes. And you don't have to be a great type of chef to do it. Everything to do is simple.
So messy. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it, it's so big. Really smoky. Chimichurri just sets it off. The hot sauce and the peppers. Let's give it a kick. It's got with a little bit of pepper and kind of really uplifts it. It's really interesting. Obviously, it's just literally dripping off the plate. And I'm so starving. Oh my goodness. The smoked peppers literally just lift this plate. I was inspired from a place called Men's in Kings Lynn. And I thought I could make that at home. I thought I'm going to make it a bit hotter, a bit more my style. So, Commercial. Molto bene questa. Buonissimo. Like, enjoy and subscribe.